Hey guys, what's up? How are you? Hope that you guys are having an amazing one today. In today's video, we are going to be creating 3 looks using the Pat McGrath palette. I'm going to prime my eyes using my Hourglass primer, and I'm going to start with the first shade, which is Sienna Mystique. I'm going to use that on my outer corner and on my crease and also on my lower lashes. Then I'm going to move on to Hypnotic Bronze and using my fingers just to add it all over our lid. And then I'm going to blend it in with a brush. The next shade that I'm going to add on top is Astral Pink Fetish, which is a beautiful duochrome pink golden shade. And for the inner corner, I'm going to take the Astral Gilded Aura with a brush, and I'm also going to use the pen from Pat McGrath and just adding it to the lower lashes, and I'm going to use the same Astral Gilded Aura shade just to pat it and just building up on the color from the previous shade. I'm using the La Mercier brown liner to tight line, and I am going to use it also on my waterline, add mascara, and here is the first look. So beautiful. I love it. I mean, it's so simple, so sparkly. It is the best. I absolutely love this look. And here I'm back with the same face to create the second look, and I'm going to be using the same brown pencil from La Mercier just to create my liner. And then I'm going to go in with the pink shade, which is a nude rose, and I'm going to add it to my crease only. And then I'm going to take the shade Skin Tense Radiance, which is the highlighting shade. I'm going to add it to the inner corner and just bringing it in a little bit. And then I'm going to take the shade Astral Amethyst Allure. I thought that I was just going to keep it on the lid, but I end up standing it out, as you're going to see here, just building up on the shade. It's not as sparkly as I would like it to be. I am also going to add it to my lower lashes, and I'm going to add mascara, and here is the second look. Again, really nice and beautiful. I think that is definitely more wearable for every single day if you just want something a little bit more set on. Here are the 2 looks. And I wanted to show you this shot just because it's the sparkle on the first look is amazing. And now we're starting with the third look, and I'm going to take Extreme Vermilion Dusk, and I'm going to add that to the outer corner and the inner corner as you see here on our lid. I'm going to also do the same thing on my lower lashes, outer corner and inner corner. And now taking a smaller brush to just blend things out with the shade Nude Rose. It became a little bit muddy, but I was able to work things out. And then the next shade that I'm taking is Blitz Crimson Ecstasy. I'm going to add that to the middle, and then I'm going in with Astral Amethyst Allure and just adding that right on top of it. And I'm taking Astral Pink Fetish, and I'm going to add that to the inner corner and the outer corner as well, just a little bit, and going back with the Blitz Crimson Ecstasy and just adding that to the lower lashes, doing the same thing with the Astral Amethyst Allure. And now taking a little bit of the Astral Gilded Aura and just tapping it on the back of my hand just for it not to be super pigmented. I'm going to add that as a super beautiful sparkling shade on the very top of my brows and also in the inner corner lashes. And here is the final look, which I have to say that this is my favorite look. It is amazing. I love it, and you're going to see the close-up in a little bit, but I could not believe how gorgeous it is. And in person, it was just the sparkles that really get to me because I just love that it is so intense. And here is what I was talking about. Me, look at that. That is so pretty. But anyways, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your love, your time, and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And I'm going to say that again because it is very important, and all of your likes and comments really help me out. But yeah, have a great one. Thank you so much. Bye.